like we're doing for my friends in America. There's a few of them to make there now, and sorry about the delay. So here we are now. That's it coming out. There's the shape of it. Okay. All out. Rick Chappell's beautiful, beautiful present he gave me. Beautiful hammer. So I just keep drawing it out, and then I work my way here, punch it, and I can turn out like this. I have the bottom one and then the left saw. So we'll have more to follow now in a few minutes. Thank you very much. Thank you.